girl GiGi Jones here, and I'm here with another wig review. And today I am going to be reviewing the Shataya. The Shataya. It is an outre wig. It's a lace front as well. And the color that I am reviewing for you is in dark root FF2/613. Yes, I said 613. So anybody is into wigs, you know that 613 is blonde. But hold on, just wait a minute. Let's see what this combination looks like, right? Right. All right, so there she is, y'all. She's waiting for her review. You see her back there? She's waiting. She's waiting. Isn't she pretty? She is very pretty. So you see that the 613, the 613 is just in the front. So before we go forward, I would like you to go ahead and like, comment, and share this video and subscribe to my channel. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button down below. Also, make sure your notifications are on so when I release new videos, you will be the first to know. Is again an outre wig. It is lace front, Swiss lace with the L parting, and it is heat resistant, high techs safe up to 400 degrees. Again, the color that I will be reviewing is the DRFF2/613. All right, so let's pull her over here and let's get to work. All right, here she is, the Shataya. All right, as I feel her, I'm feeling for tangles, and I don't feel any tangles, which is good. It's not silky, so it does have some texture. Let's see, I'm gonna feel this side. It's nice and soft. I'm also going through for tangles to see if there are any tangles. Not tangles, shedding, excuse me. See if there's any shedding. And let's see. One. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. One little piece. Well, if you can't see it, not consider it now. Lace fronts are, the lace is kind of hard. This lace is not. This lace is nice and soft. Okay. And as you can see, it is pre-plucked. I like the color on that as well because it's not like so different. It's more transparent, right? So let's look on the inside. And you do have your two combs. And in the back, you have the one comb and the adjustable straps. All right. So let's go ahead and try her on. Ha ha! Yeah. Ooh, wait a minute. Hold on. All right. Well, now, hold on. Let me get her right now. Let me get her right. All right. Ooh, that's different. That's different for your girl. Hold on. Let's see. I like it though. Oh, look at me. Being different, coming out of my normal two color shells. My browns and my blacks. Oh, okay. Still looking for shedding. I don't see any. All right, so I like. Okay, so from the side, this is the right side, the back, Let's see if there's a length on here, guys, 'cause I'm not sure of the length on this. Doesn't say. My guess would be maybe, like, my guess would be probably, as far as length, I think maybe the length might be 18. Here's the left side. And back. Yeah, maybe an 18, 20, 22. Not sure. But it's long. All right, I'll be right back. I am going to cut the lace. Whew. All right, y'all. So, let me see here. Cut the lace. And I'm good with the color. It's different. I like it. I like it. The thing is, I'm a low maintenance wig type of girl, and oh, there it is. There is some shedding. All right, when I brush, there's some shedding. Oops. Because, you know, I don't want to have to be brushing my hair all the time to make sure it doesn't get tangled, or to make sure it's untangled. So we'll see how often I wear this. I like the color. It's different. It's different for me, but I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like that. But there is shedding, guys. So just to let you know, not a whole lot, but there is some. All right. Ha ha ha. Let's see. Yeah. So that's it for this review, ladies. Again, this is the Shataya by Outre. It is a lace front wig, and it is in color DRFF2/613. I hope, oops, have you shaken? I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, please like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you all have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye. This video has been brought to you by GiGi Boutique, where fun, fabulous fashion is affordable.